Hey everyone, so it's been a few videos since I've done one of these on my channel, and today is a wig unboxing from the company Estetica. This is the first Estetica that I own, and it is part of the Icy Shadow collection. So the style that I purchased is Avalon, which is a very well-known style. Unfortunately though, Estetica is not sold in Australia, so I had to get mine from the US. So I actually have 2 wigs to share with you, but the first one that I will show you is Avalon. So Avalon comes in this massively long box. Yeah, why is it so long? Who knows? But yeah, it doesn't fit in my wig wardrobe. So this will be one of the wigs that I have to put out on a stand or hide under my bed. So yes, Estetica boxes are white with green and they have the label out here. So I will open this with you. So it is another dark brown. I thought I would give this one a try because I had seen it on quite a few Wig Sisters and I do love the shade of this. So I'm hoping that it will suit me. So the shade that I have is in Chocolate Smoke. So this is a beautiful dark chocolate brown shade with the addition of that smoke shade. And I will talk to you a little bit more about it as I go through the unboxing because I'm very excited to try this one on. So Avalon is a medium length, I guess, hairdo. It is heavily layered. It has some really spiralized curls at the back. They remind me of the Beltress Columbia curls when I first got them. So I think they will probably drop as I wear them. So I'll take you through the features of this cap because, as I mentioned, it is my first Estetica wig. So I'm really excited to investigate this one with you guys. So it is a lace front and hand-tied lace part. Now, the material does remind me of Beltress, and if you don't know by now, the Beltress fabric that they use on the lace is extremely itchy for my head, even through the wig cap that I wear. So I'm hoping that I don't have the same issue with this, but it does look rather plasticized. So I'm a little bit scared that it will be, that I will have the same issue. It has a left mono part. It does have that rose covered fabric on the opposite side of the part, which lends me to think it does have some permatease. It has a wefted cap. It's quite stretchy. It's probably a good average. It has an extended nape. Now the nape is also wefted. It is not covered in fabric and it does have little hook adjusters. So it is quite a basic cap and it does have some ear tabs. Whoa, those metal stays are very strong and solid. So that'll be interesting, but these are not covered ear tabs. These are just fabric ear tabs. I'm really uncertain how this wig cap will feel for someone without any hair. It is rather basic, as I mentioned. It doesn't have any of the bells and whistles that Raquel Welch does or John Renault does. So it does feel quite itchy all over. So yeah, it'll be quite interesting to try this on. So without further ado, I shall do that. So before I try on a wig like this, I always give it a good shake to separate some of those fibers because the curl was quite curly. So here we go. Ooh, hello girl. Hello. Okay, so this is the first time I'm putting this on. Alright, so the lace folds under, so you've got to be a bit careful. Okay, let me come a little bit closer so I can kind of get this to work on my head. So it is rather stretchy, as you can see here. There is a lot of stretch. Whoa, this is definitely big head friendly. So if you have a big head, you will love this. Or if you have a lot of bio hair still left underneath, you will actually really enjoy this cap. I'm getting a lot of hair underneath, so I will probably pull it out at some point. Yes, okay. That's enough fiddling. Let's have a look at this wig up close. So Avalon, as I mentioned, is a mid-length hairstyle. It's almost a layered bob, but it has this curl in it throughout. It's not a bad hairstyle, but I think I'll enjoy this when it does drop a little bit more. And it's the fibers are extremely soft. So I don't think I have felt fibres like this before, and I'm not sure if that's a characteristic of Estetica, of the brand Estetica, but these fibres are beautifully soft. Yeah, these are very, very soft fibres. Let me show you this shade up close. It is part of the newer collection, and although it is a dark brown, it does have a bit of a lilac-y haze or a hazy grey shade going through it. So if you guys know, there are certain black or dark brown shades where they give an undertone or they give a wash of a different colour. So this is kind of mimicking that. So hopefully you can see that, otherwise I will go outside so you can get a sense of the shade. Yeah, it's kind of coming through. You can see there are some really like grey blue highlights throughout the entire wig. That's really nice. But what I'll do is I'll insert a bit of a demo outside so you can see what it looks like in direct sunlight, because I think that's where you'll be able to see this shade up close. So I've had a few seconds to live with this on my head, and the cap is not as uncomfortable as I thought it would be. It is slightly itchy, but I guess with most new wigs, that's what I feel. I will enjoy wearing this a little bit more, and I do like the length. The length is actually very, very flattering, and the shade might be just a tad too dark for me, but time will tell. Time will tell. This is definitely more of a winter wig for me. I don't think I'd wear this in summertime, so that's probably why it's clashing initially. But yeah, I'm really enjoying this, and I really do like the initial look of this and the way that it feels. It is a larger cap, as I mentioned. It is quite roomy and it moves around quite a bit. Yeah, it is quite nice. It is quite bulky though. So it's not bulky on top, but it is bulky around the sides. But it is a very, very pretty wig. I think, yeah, it's easy to wear. Now, the test for me is flipping, because I'm a hair flipper. I don't really follow mono parts and things like that. No, that doesn't work. So I will have a play with this and hopefully get it to work for me and flip it the way that I want. Okay, that looks not too bad. It is giving me Greek mother-in-law vibes, so I don't know, it's probably a lipstick that I'm wearing. I'd probably have to wear it with something a little bit lighter, but yeah, I think it's giving me Greek mother-in-law vibes. Let's put it the other way, the way that it's supposed to go. Okay, this is not giving me Greek mother-in-law vibes. Sorry if I've offended anyone. I am Greek, so no offense. It's not intended to offend anyone, but rather myself. So, yeah, I don't really mind that. It is pretty cute, and I'm really digging the length. It's I think it's the length that I do prefer in most of my wigs. So, yeah, my initial thoughts on this is pretty positive so far. I'm not too crazy about the cap. You know, it's a pretty basic cap, but yeah, the fibres are extremely soft. So if you're looking for a really soft wig, I hope that all the Estetica wigs are like that, and the Orchid that I have purchased is like this too. That review will be coming up very, very soon. And yeah, the fibres are very soft. I feel like the curls will drop, and that's when I'll start to enjoy this a little bit more. But I really do like it, and the shade is growing on me. I will try it with some different makeup and put that on my Instagram page as I try and live in the wig a little bit. So if you aren't already following me on Instagram, I will include my Instagram handle on the screen and down below. And I post the wigs that I'm wearing daily, the looks that I create, including the makeup of the day, as well as when I play with wigs. So you'll be able to see this new Avalon worn in different ways with different outfits and different makeup, so that might change your opinion and my opinion of this wig as I go. So yeah, for an initial wig, I really don't mind it, and there's not much I need to do with it either. Let me come up close so we can have a look at the lace front together, because I think that's one of the things that I did miss. Okay, so I'll actually stay here because my ring light doesn't want me to focus. Okay, it's not too bad. There are some knots here that can be covered with some powder. That's nothing major. I like how it feels like it's been thinned out, and I really do like that because I can wear this more off my face, I think. Yeah, I mean, I haven't put this in position. There are hairs underneath. Yeah, you get the gist though. It is an unboxing, so yeah, we're going to have a few little mishaps and imperfections as we try it on. So I think I'll go get my glasses and see how this wears with glasses on and where the glasses will fit. So I'm going to stay up close to the camera because I think, yeah, you can see the wig a little bit better. So I have my glasses here and let's put them on. Okay, so, okay, so I'm encountering wig cap. I'll probably have to move it. So it is going underneath the ear tab, but I do feel like it's rather snug, even though the wig cap is large. So that's really interesting. Maybe I'll try and put it on top. Yes, okay. So for me, my glasses sit better on top of the ear tab and on top of the wig cap rather than underneath and through. Do I like this with glasses? Not really. Yeah, I probably would have to wear my other frames because this one is just not working for me. And I feel it does age me a little bit. So that's a bit better. Yeah, I would definitely try and flatten these curls though as I wear it. I don't like the big curl on this either. Let's have a look at the ear coverage, which I didn't mention either. So it's not bad. Ear coverage is pretty good. It is quite low and I feel like it's a little bit pointy, but ear coverage is good. Yeah, it's not too bad. Ear coverage is actually pretty nice. So yeah, this unboxing was actually pretty successful. I do like it. I will have to get used to it a little bit more and start wearing it a little bit more, but yeah, I don't really mind it. And I do like the smokiness of this dark chocolate, and I love the fibres. So they're the couple of things that I'm enjoying as I just put it on for the first time. The lace front is actually very, very nice as well. The material used to create the cap and to create the lace, I'm not crazy about, but I guess there's pros and cons to every wig. So I will continue wearing this and provide an update, I hope very, very soon. So thanks for stopping by and watching my unboxing of Estetica's Avalon in Chocolate Smoke. I will have the review of Estetica's Orchid up on my channel very, very soon, definitely after this one. So keep an eye out for that as well as an update on Avalon and how she wears and how the fibres stand the test of time. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Kim. I have Alopecia Universalis, an autoimmune disorder which causes complete hair loss. And on my channel, I like to talk about all things wigs, hair loss, and makeup. And I would really appreciate if you would consider subscribing to my channel before you leave. And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much for returning and for watching my unboxing and initial thoughts and review of Estetica's Avalon in Chocolate Smoke. And don't forget to thumbs up this video if you have enjoyed it. So thanks again, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.